Hello, this is the Chapter 5 write-up tutorial. We'll be doing the first task for Chapter 5 along with using the chick flick data file. So let's go ahead and start our work in R. Once you've opened up R, you need to load the R Commander package. Once you've opened the R Commander package, you need to load or import your data from Excel. You can name the data file whatever you would like to name it. It's really arbitrary. Hit OK. Then you need to find the chick flick data file wherever you have saved it onto your computer. Then after you've loaded the data, you need to go ahead and make sure that R loaded it correctly. So hit View Dataset. And it appears that the data has loaded correctly. Now, per the prompt, we're supposed to check the assumption of homogeneity of variance and normality, ignoring gender. Let's go ahead and do the HOV assumption. So select Statistics, Variances, and then Levine's test. The response variable or the dependent variable is arousal, and we're supposed to ignore gender. So looking at film as a factor, select OK. And here you have the results of the Levine's test for homogeneity of variance. You'll have to interpret it correctly, but the assumption in the Levine's test for homogeneity of variance is that the assumption of HOV has been met. So next we need to look at the normality assumption. First, to embark upon that, you need to subset your data. So data, active data set, and then subset active data. We'll be using the subset expression. If you type in film, then equal, double equal sign, quotation marks, memento, and then you need to save that data set as memento and select OK. After that's been done, you always want to check that R understood your command correctly. It's like View Dataset, and the result should be only the film memento data has been kept. So now we can test the assumption of normality. So select Statistics, Summaries, and then Shapiro-Wilk test of normality. The variable is obviously arousal. Select OK. And there you have the Shapiro-Wilk test for normality results. Next, we need to do the same thing for the Bridget Jones's Diary. The easiest way to do this is to import back in the original Excel and then subset that. Okay. Overwrite the dataset, yes. Chick flick. Now, did R import chick flick correctly? Looks like we have Memento and Bridget Jones's Diary. But now to test the assumption of normality for Bridget Jones's Diary, we need to subset the data again. Let's go ahead and X out of that. Data, then active data set, then subset active data set. And the subset expression that we'll be using this time is film, remember, double equal sign, Bridget Jones's Diary. Okay, and then we'll just, I'm going to save it as BJD. Select OK. Then we want to make sure that R interpreted our command correctly. Hit View Data Set. And it looks like we have the data we need, it being only the Bridget Jones's Diary data. And then we need a test assumption for normality for this data. So select Statistics, Summaries, and the Shapiro-Wilk test. Again, it will be the variable of arousal. Select OK. And here you have the results for Bridget Jones's Diary. I think this was pretty easy. Hopefully it will remain easy. Good luck on your write-up as a group.